Hello, my name is Kim Cruz. Overall introduction, I am a wife, a mother, a student, an educator, and a colleague. I grew up in the small town, Seymour, Indiana. I started preschool there and I graduated high school there. After high school, I attended Purdue University to pursue a degree in nursing. Before changing my major and schools, I changed from nursing to special education. I received my bachelor's degree in special ed in 1999. After teaching special education for many years across many states, I went to Fort Hays and received a master's in school psychology and my EDS in school psychology. Enjoyed every minute of it, and now I'm on to admin. Why did I choose Fort Hays? There were a lot of reasons. Many staff in my area attend Fort Hays because of the convenience. Being online helps since we live in such a remote area in southwest Kansas. Also, it's affordable, and I believe that it's a quality program that helps educators further their learning. I'm married with 5 kids. 3 are still at home. We spend lots of time at the ball fields and just hanging out together and just enjoying each other's company. My personal goals, 1 to 5 years, my goal is to spend as much time with my children while I have them at home. In 5 years, my older son will be out of high school. 6 to 10 years, I'd like to pay off my home and hopefully send 3 kids through college. And then beyond 10 years, have all the kiddos out of the house and focus on quality time with my husband and do some traveling. My professional goals, the next 1 to 5 years, continue to work with High Plains Educational Cooperative and grow as a leader. In 6 to 10 years, work my way into the director position for High Plains, hopefully, if that opportunity comes up. And then beyond 10, plan for retirement from High Plains. My professional goals will end with working at High Plains. I do not plan on moving anywhere. The program expectations, my expectations for the Fort Hays Building Administration program are to help me further build on my leadership skills, help me to become an effective educational leader, learn more about laws and regulations, and just prepare me for future career paths. Thank you. I look forward to working with all of you at Fort Hays and am excited for the future.